Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing pita wraps. We're going to start by making a basic hummus. This is a 30-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Some people say for texture to peel them. I'm not going to do that because I would never notice. This is a bunch of roasted garlic that I actually poached in a pan rather than roasting. You take some olive oil, you put it in a pan, and you let it go on low for like 15 minutes, and then it looks like roasted garlic. Yay. Teaspoon salt, teaspoon cumin. 1/4 cup of olive oil that I poached the garlic in. 1/2 cup tahini. 1/2 cup aqua fava, that's the liquid that the beans come in. Okay, everything looks set. Engage. Okay, once everybody's in there and the mechanism that stops it from going is done, we can engage. And as it's turning into a ball of chickpeas, we can add our olive oil and some of our aquafaba. And then our tahini. We skipped a step, and it's where the magic works. We need the juice of a lemon. Ignore the dishes in the sink. I'm fairly certain that the lemon is required for emulsion. Okay, now let's add in some more bean water until it's the right consistency. And there we go, now it looks like hummus. Okay, we've got our roasted garlic hummus. You can add roasted red peppers if you want. I'm gonna put them on the pita, so yeah. Now, if I were just serving this as like a dip, I would drizzle it in olive oil and I would put paprika on it like I did in the hummus video. But this isn't the hummus video, this is the pita video, so I'll be back in a sec. I'm going to start with 1/2 of a red onion and I'm going to dice it. If you need the other 1/2 of the onion, it's still here. This is a seedless cucumber. I've never purchased a seedless cucumber before, and there are seeds. So what's up with that, internet? Tell me. Seedless my behind. So I'm just going to dice this up too. I'm going to give it a mix, and we're trying to see if we have the right ratio of onion and everything. You might have to work a little bit to break this up. For my preferences, that's the right amount of onion. We're moving on to cherry tomatoes. And I'm just using a whole pack. Give it another mix. Roasted red peppers. So I like these, and I put a lot of crap in there, so we might as well continue the trend. I wasn't going to switch bowls mid-episode again, but remember how last time my life immediately got easier when I did? So let's do that. 1 bunch of parsley. I'm just going to cut it till I get bored. Okay, that's good enough for me. From here, you've got some options. You could cut these bad boys open. Fill them up. I'm not gonna. Hummus. Spread it around. This is roasted eggplant. I didn't know it came in a jar, so I bought it. Dollop of that. Smear that around too. A little handful of everything. Maybe not that big of a piece of cucumber though. There we go. Kalamata olives. They come pre-sliced, so why not? If you have too much of this by the time you're done, you have lunches for the week. Or you can just throw in some greens and you have a salad. This is feta cheese. I buy it by the brick and then I crumble it in the bag so that you don't get it everywhere. And I'm just going to stick this into my 350 degree oven and warm it up a little bit. About 5, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, I waited till the bread was warmed through. Here we are. Go ahead and add some parsley. Not a lot. You can top these up with whatever you want. I'm probably making chicken shawarma soon. I've been in kind of a Middle Eastern kick lately. But anyway, like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd put on these. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.